The first thing you notice when opening the Insta360 Luna Ultra Creator Bundle is how premium everything feels. The package comes neatly organized inside a stylish black carrying case designed specifically to store the camera and accessories securely. Everything has its place, making it easy to carry the entire setup while traveling. Inside the box, you get the Insta360 Luna Ultra itself, along with a USB-C charging cable, two compact wireless microphone transmitters, a wind muff for outdoor audio recording, and a protective accessory case. The case isn't just for protection either. It features dedicated magnetic storage slots for memory cards and lens filters, which is a small detail that makes a surprisingly big difference when you're on the move. The camera immediately stands out because of its unique design. Unlike traditional gimbal cameras, the Luna Ultra features a detachable 2-inch OLED touchscreen. This isn't just a flip screen or a rotating display, it physically separates from the camera body and becomes a fully functional wireless remote monitor. This simple feature changes the entire shooting experience. For years, solo creators have struggled with framing shots correctly. You set up the camera, walk into position, pose, then walk back to check if everything looks right. Most of the time, it doesn't. Then you repeat the process over and over again. With the Luna Ultra, that problem disappears. You can place the camera wherever you want, detach the screen, hold it in your hand, and see exactly what the camera sees in real time. Instead of guessing whether you're in frame, you know instantly. Instead of hoping the shot looks good, you can adjust it immediately. This alone makes solo content creation dramatically easier. The Luna Ultra also delivers serious camera hardware underneath its compact body. It features dual Leica Summicron optics, bringing professional-grade imaging to a device small enough to fit in your pocket. The primary camera uses a large 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor paired with a bright f1.8 aperture. This combination allows the camera to capture significantly more light, resulting in cleaner footage, improved low-light performance, and natural background separation that gives videos a cinematic appearance. Alongside the main camera is a dedicated 120mm telephoto lens. This isn't a digital zoom trick, it's actual optical zoom hardware built directly into the camera. The system provides 3.9 times optical zoom, extends up to 6 times lossless zoom through sensor cropping, and reaches a maximum 12 times hybrid zoom range. This gives creators much more flexibility when filming subjects at a distance. Whether you're recording concerts, sporting events, wildlife, or city scenes while traveling, the zoom capabilities allow you to get closer without sacrificing image quality. Image quality receives another major boost through the introduction of 10-bit log recording. This is the first Insta360 device to support a professional 10-bit log color profile. For most users, that means significantly more flexibility during color grading. Shadows retain more information, highlights preserve additional detail, and colors can be adjusted without quickly falling apart. Combined with Leica color science and support for up to 14 stops of dynamic range, the Luna Ultra is capable of producing footage that looks far more expensive than its size suggests. One feature that becomes surprisingly useful is the detachable screen's built-in microphone. Normally, if you place a camera several meters away from yourself, audio quality drops dramatically. Most creators solve this by purchasing separate wireless microphone systems, which add cost and complexity. The Luna Ultra takes a different approach. The detachable screen itself functions as a wireless microphone. Since you're already holding the screen while monitoring your shot, it naturally stays close to your mouth. This allows the camera to capture clear voice recordings even when the camera body is positioned far away. For solo vloggers, this feels almost magical. You can set the camera up across the room, walk into frame, monitor your composition, and record quality audio simultaneously using just one device. The included wireless microphones make the system even more versatile. They pair quickly and provide reliable audio capture for interviews, travel content, presentations, and professional video projects. The result is a setup that often eliminates the need for multiple accessories. Another area where the Luna Ultra shines is event coverage. Imagine attending a car show. Traditionally, you might carry a mirrorless camera, a heavy stabilizer, spare batteries, microphones, and a bag full of accessories. After a few hours, your arms hurt, your shoulders ache, and the experience becomes exhausting. With the Luna Ultra, everything becomes simpler. You can comfortably sit inside a vehicle, monitor the shot remotely through the detachable display, and smoothly control camera movement without physically standing beside the camera. What once required multiple pieces of equipment can now be accomplished using a single compact device. Travel creators may appreciate this even more. The ability to monitor shots remotely means no more rushing back and forth to adjust framing. You can simply place the camera, walk into position, and create content confidently. The detachable screen supports both portrait and landscape shooting orientations, making it equally useful for YouTube videos, TikTok content, Instagram Reels, and short-form social media projects. The camera can also record up to 8K resolution, providing plenty of detail for future-proof content creation. One of the most fascinating innovations is Insta360's new head tracking mode. At first, it sounds almost too futuristic. The concept is simple. Wherever your eyes look, the camera follows. Using a lightweight wearable accessory, the Luna Ultra tracks your head movement and automatically adjusts camera direction accordingly. Instead of manually controlling camera movements, your natural viewing direction becomes the control mechanism. This creates footage that feels smoother and more natural than traditional handheld shooting. For fast-moving subjects, the benefits become obvious. Think about trying to film a cat running across a room. Normally, keeping the subject framed can be difficult. With head tracking enabled, you simply watch the cat, and the camera follows your gaze. Your eyes essentially become a smart tracking system. The same advantage applies during sporting events. Most people face a frustrating choice while watching live sports. Either enjoy the event, or spend the entire time staring at a screen while recording. The Luna Ultra changes that experience. Instead of constantly monitoring a display, you simply watch the action naturally. The camera follows your viewing direction, allowing you to stay immersed in the moment while still capturing footage. Travel photography also benefits tremendously from this technology. When exploring a new city, beautiful moments appear and disappear quickly. Pulling out a phone often takes too long. With the Luna Ultra, a simple head movement can direct the camera toward the scene you want to capture. The entire experience feels more natural and less intrusive. The Luna Ultra is available in both black and white color options. The black version offers a professional appearance with a textured grip that resists fingerprints and maintains a clean look during intensive use. Meanwhile, the white version features a unique ceramic-inspired finish that reflects light beautifully. It doesn't look glossy or matte. Instead, it creates a premium aesthetic that makes the device feel more like a luxury product than a piece of camera equipment. The contrast between the white body and black lens housing creates a distinctive visual identity that immediately stands out. Performance in low-light situations has also received significant attention. The dedicated pure video mode serves as the camera's primary night shooting mode, helping improve detail retention and reduce noise in challenging lighting conditions. When combined with the large 1-inch sensor and bright aperture, nighttime footage appears cleaner and more usable than many competing compact cameras. Users who enjoy manual shooting can further optimize results by adjusting shutter speed settings depending on the scene. Fast-moving subjects benefit from higher shutter speeds that reduce motion blur, while static landscapes can use slower settings to maximize light capture. Zoom performance remains impressive throughout much of its range. The 6x zoom capability maintains strong image quality even when recording at 1080p resolution, allowing creators to frame distant subjects more effectively without carrying additional camera gear. Perhaps the most important thing about the Luna Ultra isn't any individual specification. It's how all the features work together. The detachable screen acts as a monitor. It acts as a remote control. It acts as a microphone. It acts as a second shooting position. It removes the need for many accessories creators normally purchase separately. That level of integration is rare. When traveling alone, you don't need someone to help frame your shots. When filming yourself, you don't need to constantly check positioning. When recording audio, you don't necessarily need an external microphone. When adjusting camera placement, you don't need to physically walk back and forth repeatedly. Everything becomes simpler.